Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Check this out, I have the RadioMaster TX16S sticker, yeah I know, on this bi-rotor. So this is what I'm going to fly because I have set it up with the all new RadioMaster TX16S, and it was really very easy to set up. Inside there's a Futaba SFHSS Receiver, which was very easy to bind with the RadioMaster TX16S. Everything is working properly. Let's hope everything goes right. I also want to test the fail-safe, which is very, very important. So we'll give it a try. Let's fly it and have some fun. Okay, so it's ready. I hope it has got all the satellites. So we'll see how it goes. Radio, I believe you can see easily in my hands right here. So which switch was which? I forgot. GPS mode. So I'm gonna have to put it down here, throttle in the middle, and arm. So that is the GPS mode. Let's see how it holds the GPS. I didn't give it much time to lock the satellites, but it's holding properly still. Superb. Now you have watched this bi-rotor in my videos very well, so I'm not gonna talk about this. I'm just gonna talk about how is the feel on the radio. Once again, TX16S feels really nice and solid in the hands. Controls are really very precise. Are kind of very, very sensitive. As you can see from my thumbs, you won't feel that I'm actually moving any sticks at times. It's because I have to set a lot of, it's because I have to set dual rates, expo, in order to make it more, like a feel that I want on this. So far I didn't do that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna land it and fly it in the other mode. Hold on. So land, because that's the mode I like. Now if I put all the switches up, take off, it will be in manual mode, semi-manual, and after that I can put it in altitude hold mode. So here we go.
Attitude mode.
Wow, really, there is the control is really very, very sensitive here. I have to do something like calibration on the throttle and stuff like that. Probably I didn't do much calibration, that's why I'm also feeling that altitude hold, or somewhere throttle is not properly in the middle. That is the calibration thing, not the radio thing. That is to do the calibration with this guy right here. And look at that, how amazing and sweet it's flying. Ah, lots of sun in my eyes. If I go there, I really cannot look at my model anymore. Flies are absolutely beautiful. The stick response is very, very nice. Controls are really nice and precise, the way I want them to be. I should be taking some pictures with it. beautiful, man. I simply love the agility, the performance, the looks, the stance on this beautiful birotor. Absolutely one of the most joyful machines to fly. I can fly it all day long and never get bored, really. Never get bored flying this thing. Alright, I'm gonna test the auto return to home. For that I gotta land and take off in GPS mode, okay?
Disarm. Attitude mode.
Okay, so I am going to test the auto return to home. And for that, oh, come on, let me fly it a little bit first. Anyway, let's do the auto return to home and go for something much more fun. Hold on. So I'm gonna go forward, forward. I believe that's far enough. And switch to, let's say it's holding its position there.
Return to home.
Return to home. It rises in the skies, comes back, starts flying back. Okay, slows down. Okay, I will have to leave the radio. You can see I will have to leave the radio. I'm not doing anything. It's coming back. This is one of the most important part for me to test how good is the auto return to home. Now it should turn its nose. Ooh, the same way where it took off from. Awesome. The same stance. It lands back in the same stance. How wonderful is that? I'm just holding the radio. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. Beautiful.
Disarm.
RadioMaster TX16S is really very nicely set up. It was very easy to set up with the Z2 birotor, and it flies absolutely beautiful. Now the only thing I feel is that the radio has a bit very sensitive sticks, so I have to add a little bit of expo and dual rates, and that will set everything right. So for that, until next flight, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.